So this is the Bayliner boat that's been the focus of, I just bought this boat. With the transom issues. And it's a Bayliner, so it has some real weak wood in it. And I think I mentioned the fact that the wood was so rotten in the bottom of it that they had to bungee cord the power trim pump to the bulkhead there because the screws wouldn't hold the pump down anymore. But that wood right there is completely rotted out. You can see they've been trying to shore up all the bad wood. There's some wood over there, they've covered that up. So basically the wood in the whole boat's gone. But where we're going with this project is we're going to pull the motor out, take the transom assembly out, and then we're going to find the transom is rotten. That's just what we're expecting. So I guess the next video you'll see is motor out and the rotten transom.